Hey friends, it is Unit 5, Week 1, Day 5 of word work, and this is Miss Withers coming at you with the lesson. So let's take a look at our learning targets for today. Our learning targets are this. You will use strategies to identify prefixes and suffixes as well as base words to identify word meaning. You will identify vowel R syllable spellings, and you will read and spell words with the vowel R syllables. So let's take a look at our example. Re-record. Well, let's take a look at our reading big words strategy. Number 1, it says to look for word parts at the beginning of the word, or our prefixes. Re-record. Well, I see that my prefix is re, R-E. And I have heard of this prefix before because it means to do something again. Do something again. Number 2, look for the word parts at the end of the word, or a suffix. I don't really see any suffix at the end of this word. And I'm looking at the base word now for familiar spelling patterns. Record. My base word is record. Well, I know that to record something is basically what I'm doing right now. I'm recording a video. Sound out and blend the word parts together. Re-record. Re-record. I'm asking myself, is this a real word? Does it make sense in a sentence? Well, if re means to do again, and record means to record something, like with a video camera or a computer to document it, re-record must mean to record something again. So if I messed up this video for some reason, I might have to re-record it. So I'm going to highlight my prefix in blue, and I'm also looking for an R-controlled syllable sound. Remember that the R has to come after the vowel. So this R comes before, this R comes before, re-record. But here's one, or. And I'm going to highlight that in red. This R comes after this vowel in this syllable. Re-record is 3 syllables. And in my last syllable, I see that O-R, R-controlled syllable sound. So I think I figured it out. So when you do your slide, you're going to blue highlight the prefix of each word and red highlight the vowel R syllable. Here, I'll take that ending off of there so it matches our first slide. Re-record. So see, I have my prefix highlighted in blue, and my vowel R syllable sound highlighted in red. Your little reminder here that the R comes after the vowel. So you're going to be highlighting rediscover, unimportant, recharging, and pre-ordered. Then you are going to drag the words and put them in the correct spot to complete the sentences. You'll use context clues and word parts to determine meaning. So your words are re-record, pre-ordered, rediscover, unimportant, and recharging. Let me read you the sentences that you're going to fill in. My Chromebook is blank. I must have plugged it in wrong. I need to blank the performance. My video camera glitched. I didn't listen to my teacher because I thought what she was saying was blank. I should have listened because now I don't understand. I blank the sweatshirt online. When it is released, they will ship it to me. The explorer tried to blank the cave. So you'll drag those words over to the correct meaning in the sentence. Then you will submit your slides. Good luck!